Okay, video. Look, okay, do this. Sure, come on, I don't have that much video time. Until it cracks. Oh, okay. One cracked.
What if there's a lot of cracks?
Oops. Hey! Oh, don't! Step already! What the? You have to, get the juice out. Oh, shoot, I broke it the wrong way. Okay, try the other side. Oh, wait, no, never mind. Here's the... Hey, it's dripping already! Try to make a hole on the other side then.
Dude, give me some space. Oh, dang!
Oh, dang it.
It's full.
Mine doesn't even have any soup. What the heck?
What if yours is a lot?
Oh, yeah, mine has a lot. It's good, huh? Okay, now you peel it.
Oh, dang.
You like the soup? Ew! Okay, you ready? Why you have to pull all the way over there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh shoot. Okay, I'm kind of scared now.
What's this?
Huh?
Wait,
Okay,
why
now
is mine all veiny?
mine too. Oh shoot. What the heck is that?
Dude, give me some space. I should have got my own bowl. Want to switch?
No. No.
Dude, like, mine's still alive.
Yours is not alive.
Dude, give me some space.
Dude, give me some space. Okay, ready? Bola, did you just put that in my camera screen? Are you gonna get the hot sauce? Here, I'm just gonna put salt on it. This. Oh my gosh.
Are you supposed to go this far?
Dude.
Peeling it? Dude, what the heck is this? What the heck is this?
Huh?
What the heck is this? A heart?
Don't. No, okay, here.
It's like, this is supposed to be the chicken, but stop.
Yeah.
Ew!
Do you want trade?
Why?
Want trade?
Why?
I don't know.
What's wrong with yours?
Huh? Nothing. You want
Why is
trade?
yours all dry?
No, you want trade though?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Here, let me look at yours. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, let's go. Here, put your hot
Do I
sauce
go
or
this
whatever.
far? Do I stop?
Yeah,
doing
you
it?
stopped already. Turn go.
I want to put salt too.
Here, go. You want to put hot sauce? Because it kind of ruins the taste.
Hot sauce? Dude, give me some space.
Put it in the camera. Okay. You ready? You take the tall half.
Wait, what do I have to eat? This?
Yeah, this whole top. You see that whole white thing right there?
Wait, hold on. What about this?
Eat both of them at the same time and try not.
What?
Just eat half of that. Kind of peel it more over here.
Oh, I'm just gonna that.
Yes.
Oh, what the heck?
Oh, I'm scared. Okay. Go.
Dude,
Are you ready?
Wait. Is this like the skin?
Yeah.
No, it's like not gonna peel. Is this?
You
part of
can't spit it out though.
it? No, it's like this part of it.
Yeah, that's the white part. Okay, ready?
No.
Are you? Come on, dude. I got like no camera light.
It's not even recording.
Don't
at
put
that
too
point.
much though. Dude. Okay, you ready? Dude,
Yeah.
look it, that's the soup. Just scream.
No.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, I'm gonna barf.
Good, huh? Do I continue eating?
You're not on camera. You're on camera.
Do I just keep eating it? Do I keep eating it?
Mm.
Ew! Do I just peel the bottom skin or no?
Hmm?
Do I peel the bottom skin? Hey, you can't drink nothing! I should use the bowl.
I can't do this. How the freak did you swallow that?
I do not know.
Dude, it's still in my freaking mouth.
What if yours is all dry now?
Ew. Drink, get in the camera.
I am in the camera. Well, scoot
you're
over. You keep
not.
getting you leaning on me.
I'm like crying right now.
Oh, you don't eat the part.
Yeah, you do.
It's all hard. I can't. I you can't eat this part. Dude, look it. I can't. Look. I'm not eating this part. This one came out. Ew! 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 That's nasty. Ew! Ew! That's nasty. This one came out wrong. It's too hard. Switch. What the heck? What? Turn around! Dude, I'm serious. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. I don't want. Dude, turn around! Dang. I You don't eat this part, huh?
You do.
Is yours soft? Give me yours then. Wait, no, your spit's on it.
I threw up in my mouth. Dude, I threw up in my mouth.
Alright, I can't eat this.
Okay, throw it away. Here. Okay, we're done. Bye.